What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by Etekcity, and we're taking a look at their awesome air mattress. Now, this is their upgraded twin-size inflatable airbed, and basically it has the ability to inflate itself with the twist of a knob, and it has the ability to deflate itself simply with the twist of a knob. You can also manually add air with the 2-in-1 valve that's built into this as well. So if you have an external pump and you want to do it yourself, or maybe you want to do it a bit faster, then that might be the way to go as well. We also have a different type of construction here to make it just a bit more comfortable. You see, most air mattresses use coil beam construction, which can be pretty hard on your back, and all in all would be not the best night of sleep. However, taking a look at this particular mattress, we have wave beam construction, and if you check out their Amazon page, they show some better examples of how this works. Now, another thing is the materials all pass California Proposition 65. So of course everything is tested for lead, cadmium, and of course other things. So basically, if you leave your kid on here or something of those sorts, they are 100% safe. Now, size is very important. This thing fits into a nice sturdy little bag, and afterwards you can store it just underneath the bed, because this thing measures in at 75 inches times 39 inches times 18 inch, and then folded up it can actually go all the way down to 11 inches times 7 inches times 16 inches, which is pretty tiny. It's about the size of the bag that you see here in proportion to the table. How cool is that? They also have a 2-year guarantee, so if there's any leaks or anything, you just send it right on back and they will solve your problems. Now, the mattress itself can support up to 550 pounds. Now, most of us don't weigh that much, so the point is, this thing is pretty awesome. It also uses pretty quality materials, such as 20% thicker PVC, flocked at the top, so basically, this thing should last a very, very long time. In my inflation test, it took around 4 minutes to inflate completely, and deflation took even shorter than that. It was done deflating in around a minute, which is absolutely amazing if you travel a lot, or you're on a road trip or a camping trip or something, or if you just need something for the guests and you need it instantaneously, throw on a cover on top of this and it will be inflated properly. My favorite thing is this thing isn't really low to the ground, it's high to the ground, so if you're in an area, maybe you're outside, where you don't really want to be near the ground, then this is probably the way to go as well. All in all, it has an exact height of 18 inches, so it works in 99% of situations. All in all, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.